Welcome. Hi everybody. So in this video we are going to discuss about the first lecture of LLM Gen AI course. Okay, so I'm planning to put out a course on the entire generative AI. So as a first step towards it, in this video let's discuss about the open sourced LLMs. Okay, what I mean is, for example, we all would have used ChatGPT and Gemini at some point of time, right? So in this video, I will I will share you where other open source models are present. For example, we only know ChatGPT and Gemini and Claude AI, but there are several other open sourced, freely available LLMs which we can download and then use it in our local computer offline. Okay, for example, you might be traveling somewhere and then you might not have internet. Because of this you might not be able to access ChatGPT or Gemini. So in those cases, these locally installed LLMs will be super useful for you. They are as robust and as strong and efficient as ChatGPT and Gemini. Okay, so I thought of keeping this first lecture simple and fun and entertaining. So let's explore the existing LLMs of big tech companies like Google and Microsoft. And then from next lecture onwards, we will slowly transition towards making our own projects, LLM projects and Gen AI projects using OpenAI APIs and many other things. It's a very vast course. As a first step, let's get started today by exploring the by exploring where can we download these open sourced models and then install it in our local computer and then access it from our own computer without being dependent on the internet. Okay, so firstly let's open any favorite browser. Open any browser of your choice. I chose Chrome. So here I'm introducing you to a platform. It's a website which hosts all of the freely available LLM models. So it's called as Ollama. Okay, so just type Ollama download. Okay, yeah, so once you type Ollama download, this is the link that you should be clicking on. So let's click on this link, and once you click on this link, here you can see that download is available for Mac, Linux and Windows. So choose accordingly whatever your operating system is and then click on this download button. Okay, as soon as the process finishes, as soon as Ollama gets downloaded to your local system, onto your computer, you will be seeing something like this. Let me show you. Yeah, you will be seeing a small chat window like this, a black color simple chat window like this, which looks very similar to ChatGPT. Okay, so this is the Ollama interface. Okay, but we will not be using Ollama in this way. Instead, we will access Ollama through command line prompt or PowerShell. Okay, yeah, so let's close this for now. Not required. You can just close this, and then after you're done with all your installations of Ollama, now you can go to your command line prompt or PowerShell. So I will choose a PowerShell. Okay, and the way to check whether Ollama is installed or not is, it's a simple command. Just type Ollama and then click enter. Yeah, so if you're seeing something like this, whatever I'm seeing right now, so which means Ollama should be successfully installed. Okay, if you're not seeing this, then I think it's not installed. Okay, so do it again. Another way to check it is just type Ollama and then serve, Ollama serve. Yeah, if you're getting this kind of an error, which means Ollama is successfully installed. Okay, this basically says that Ollama is already installed and it's ready for you to serve. Okay, that's why this error is, because it's already ready to serve you and you're saying serve. So it's saying that it's an error because it's already serving you. You know what I mean? Yeah. So if you're seeing this error, then it's a good sign. Okay, so which means Ollama is successfully installed. Now what is this Ollama? As I told you, Ollama is an online platform which contains all of your open sourced LLM models of big tech companies like Microsoft, Google and all the top players
their products. All their flagship models are available in this Ollama. So by downloading Ollama, now let's focus on how to install a particular LLM. Okay. Now we're going to install a LLM called as Gemma. 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 Okay. Now what is Gemma? Gemma is a Google product. Yes, it's a Google product. It's a flagship model, very similar to Gemini. Okay, I would say it was built alongside Gemini. Okay, yeah. So this is a Google product, Google LLM. So let's install Gemma. So the command is just type Ollama and then run, Ollama run, and then Gemma, Gemma, and then 3. So this 3 is the version. Okay, it's the version number. Okay, so Gemma 3, and then colon, and then 270M. 270M. What is this 270M? Okay, so this 270M simply means M stands for million. So we are saying I want Gemma 3 model with 270 million parameters. 270 million parameters. What is a parameter? I mean, for people who are already into AI would know what a parameter is, but if you're somebody new, and it's totally fine if you're new here because this course is completely for beginners. So parameters, for now, just keep in mind that parameters are simply very similar to neurons in our brain, like human brain. Like in all human brains, there are nerve cells called as neurons. So more neurons means more intelligence. Okay. So parameters are very similar to human neurons. They make the model more intelligent. Okay. So I am saying I want 270 million parameters, which is not that great because majority of the models have it in billions. You know, it goes in billions. Only if it is in billions, it's like something like ChatGPT or Gemma in that standard. But here we are just saying 270 million, which is not that great. Okay. But still, I would like to introduce you to Ollama and Gemma, and that's why I'm doing this. Okay. Yeah, of course, it's 270 million, which is very less compared to Gemini and ChatGPT, which means you cannot expect that level of precision and performance like ChatGPT and Gemini. Okay. It's a very small model, just 270 parameters. Okay. So after typing this, just click on enter, and then it will take its time. It will take a few seconds to download it, and see it's already downloaded Gemma 3 on your local system, which means you can access this without internet. It's running locally on your system. Okay. Yeah. Now let's type something. Let's say hi. So yeah, so this is the response from Gemma 3. It's saying hi there. How can I help you today? Let me type who are you? Okay, who are you? And then you will get a response. Yeah, I'm a large language model trained by Google. As I told you, Gemma is a Google product. Yes. So yeah, you can go on and on and on exploring this the precision and performance of this model. As I told you, you cannot expect it to be as great as ChatGPT and Gemma because it's a developing model, and it's a very small model because it has only 270 parameters. Yeah, million parameters. So this is how you communicate with a LLM locally on your computer. Okay. Now let's end the conversation. To end the conversation with a particular LLM, click Ctrl D. Once you press Ctrl D, you are cutting the conversation. Okay. Okay. Now, yeah. So this is Ollama, which gives you the option to download any LLM locally on your computer. Okay. Now, before we end the video, let's explore one more model from Microsoft. Yes, it's a Microsoft product. So it's called as Phi 3. You can go here. You can go back to Ollama, and then you can just click on models. Yeah, here. And then here you will be able to see all the models available, including the Gemma 3. Yeah, see, this is the one that we explored right now. Okay. Yeah. Now let's search for Phi 3. Phi 3. Yes, Phi 3. Yeah, this is the one. So Phi 3, as I told you, it's a Microsoft. Yeah, it's by Microsoft. Okay. Yeah. And then these are the sizes available. I mean, if your computer is capable of storing these sizes, then you can install it. Otherwise, you will not be able to install it. Okay. So before installing, go to Ollama and then check for the sizes, and then if your computer has the space, then install it. Okay, so now let's install Phi3 Olama run Phi3. Okay, it will take around a couple of seconds to install, and then we should be starting very soon. Yeah, it's installed. Okay, now let me tell you, Phi3 is way better than Gemma. Yes, because Phi3 is a bigger model. Yes, I have researched enough on this, and I know that Phi3 is way more efficient and way more it has more precision than Gemma 3. Okay, so but the conversations you can't really make out, because you can really make out the difference when you use it regularly. Only then you will make out the difference. Okay, but the fact is Phi3 is way more better than Gemma 3. Okay, yeah. Hi. Okay. Hello. How can I help you today? Okay, it's the same response. Let me say, who are you? I am Phi, an AI developed to assist with information and tasks across various domains. Yeah. Okay. Who built you? I guess it should say Microsoft. Okay. Anyways, it's giving a generalized thing, but yeah, it is a Microsoft product. Okay. Yes, as you can see, the responses are more comprehensive and more detailed than Gemma 3. Okay, because this has more parameters naturally onto it, and then it has a better performance also. Okay, yeah, Phi3 is better than Gemma. Tell me a joke. Let's check its creativity. Sure. Okay, let's wait for this to complete. Why did the computer go to therapy? Because it needed bites of comfort from its hard drive sessions gone bad. Oh, okay. Yeah, I get the joke. I would suggest you to read everything, and then yeah, I get the joke. Yeah, it's a technical joke done on the computer itself. Yeah. So as you would have known by now, so this is how you run LLMs locally on your computer, and from next video onwards, we will start slowly on how to make our own AI applications, and it's a complete Gen AI course. Okay, you'll be learning the entire Gen AI. By the end of this course, you will be able to make your own resume with projects and apply to any roles that requires Gen AI. Okay, any company that requires Gen AI role. I'm sure that this course will make you industry ready. Okay, and for that, if you really found this video helpful, please like this video and then follow my page and my profile. Okay, thank you so much. I will see you in the next video of this course. Thank you.